I just had a bite right away. Oh, got one. There we go. Little guy. I just found this little pond on Google Maps and thought I'd give it a shot. First cast and whammo. Just had another one. Ooh, oh, missed that one. A lot of fish in here. That's cool. Shows when you find the bass, you can actually catch them. Jeez. Oh, had another one. Got another one. These have to be small. These are large. Wow, they're hungry. Yep. There's a bunch of them. Try something with a little more size to it, see if that gets something bigger. Just had a bite. I'm getting a lot of bites, a lot of follows, but mainly like 8 to 13 inch bass. But there's some big bluegills in this pond. There we go. Ooh. What I got here. Whatever it is, it's snagged. Bluegill. Nice bluegill. Not bad. There we go. Ooh, that's a nicer fish. Not bad. Not too bad at all. Big old bucket mouth. A decent one. Just caught a decent largemouth. A lot bigger than what I was catching out of here a moment ago, so there's hope after all for something bigger in here. Only thing I saw was big so far were bluegills. Usually when you got big bluegills and small bass, it usually means the bass population's stunted. But that was a decent one I just caught. Hopefully they get bigger. There's an awful lot of bass in here. I saw a school of like 20 of them follow my lure before. And the biggest one only had to be 13 inches. About the size of the one I just caught. Oh, there's one. Not bad. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna keep this one in the water, just fighting around. I want to see if that big bass comes and grabs it. There she comes. There she comes. She's just following it around. She's right on its tail. Oh, there's a few of them. A few nice sized bass on that fish's tail. Look at this. It's trying to attack it. There's a bigger one. That's not the biggest one though. There's definitely a bigger one in here. Sorry to use you for bait, little guy, but yeah. That was pretty cool. It wasn't the big one, but there was about a 17-incher down there chasing that one that time. So there's a few big ones around. One after another on these smaller ones, but I want that big one down there. I'd even take that 17, 18-incher I just saw. Oh, I'm sorry, guy. Ooh, that was a bigger one. Damn it. That was a nice fish. That was a bigger fish right there. I just had it swipe at it. Oh, there we go. What is this? Oh, there's that bass. There's that bass. Oh my God, it's a giant. Dude, it's trying to eat the freaking bluegill. Oh my God. It's right in front of me, guys. There she is. There she is. Watch this, watch. There she is. I know I had to have gotten that on camera. Oh my God. I don't normally do this, folks, but I'm gonna try to toss that out there. Get that on camera again. There she is. Oh my God. There's two nice ones sitting down there. Oh my God. Sorry about that bluegill. I had to have caught that on camera. If I didn't, well, this camera sucks then. That was a big bluegill, and I don't even care. It's a freaking 5-pound bass going after it. There she is again. Or there's a bigger bass, that's not the one. I'm just leaving these smaller bass in the water just to get attacked by a largemouth, a big largemouth. It's kind of funny. That last time she tried grabbing that bluegill, I should have a bluegill bait. Alright, going back to the lipless crankbait that I just lost 2 big ones on, almost in a row. Frustrating. I had them pinned, and somehow they came off. But I gotta reel the damn bait so fast to keep it above the weeds that it's not a surprise that they weren't able to get to it quick enough to get the whole bait in their mouth. So I think I was just skin hooking them on the tip of their lips. There we go. There we go. It's a nicer fish. Oh, there's that big bass. There's that big bass. Following this fish in. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at. I hope you guys saw that. Oh, she's right there. There she is. There she is. Looking right at my bass. There she is. She's in front of me now. Look at, she's gonna hit him. She's gonna grab him. Come on. Ooh. Oh, man. Ooh. I got that on camera. Yeah. I almost hooked her. Oh my God. That sucker grabbed my largemouth. The largemouth ripped off my line and the hooks of my lure almost hooked the big bass. Oh my God, I would have been so happy. That was so crazy. That is a big bass, a big hungry one too. Let's see if I can get that fish to follow this one. Nope, not seeing her around now. I hope I didn't spook her. She just used up a lot of energy trying to grab that other bass. I've caught way more largemouth than I've even gotten on camera. I had to turn my camera off for a while. I'm kind of drenched right now. That's all right, because I'm catching fish. I'm gonna try my jerkbait again. That was treating me pretty well before. If I didn't see that bass, I would not have believed there was bass that size in this pond, given what I've been catching. And I saw two other ones with her that were pretty nice size too. Just can't keep those big ones pinned. So I want to see if that... Haven't seen that big one around since she came after that bass and ripped it off my line. She's probably down there eating it. Big fish don't get big being stupid, that's for sure. There we go. Oh. Oh, there she is. I see you, woman. I'm looking right at her. Got her, got her, got her. Yes. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no, that was the one. God, I'm so mad right now. I just lost the big one. I lost the monster. Had her on. Had her on my line, lost her. I hope I get her. I'm heartbroken. I think I see her again. Yes, I do. Oh, please hit again, girl. If I get this fish, I am lucky because I just had her hooked. I know you win some, you lose some, but that wasn't the one I wanted to lose. That's so incredibly disappointing, it's unreal. It's the biggest bass I've seen or had on my line in a few years, honestly. I don't think that fish is gonna bite again either. That fish was hooked. She felt the hooks. Oh, do I see that bass right now? I might. And I'm glad I got it on camera as proof, but I wanted to catch it. I've had her coming after bluegills, bass, lures. I've lost two big ones before her. It's heartbreaking, man, when you lose a fish that size. It's what we work for as fishermen, are those trophies. So I just grabbed my ultralight rod with a little 2-inch Mr. Twister on a 32nd ounce jig. Saw some nice sized bluegills down here. Maybe catch a few panfish. I don't care what I catch right now. I'm just trying to enjoy myself. There's definitely a whole bunch of panfish in here, so there should be some bass. Just so much boat traffic that comes through here that it's kind of hard to keep the fish biting during the daytime. Clear water fish do not like boat traffic. Ooh, just had one. See if we got some crappies in here. There's some big crappies in this lake. I normally like to use chartreuse green or black when I'm crappie fishing. It's always been a confidence for me, but I've done very good on like a red color at times, sometimes white, but black and chartreuse green has been pretty good for me for crappies over the years, and bluegills. Sometimes they want orange or pink. Crappies can be very picky about color. Ooh, big fish just jumped behind me. I might have to stop messing around with these little bluegills. I'll try Kevin Van Dam. Strike King Kevin Van Dam jerkbait. I like to fish all my lures on medium action gear usually. It's like 7.5 foot casting rods, 6.5 foot minimum. I just like to use a twitch pause retrieve. You can pause it as long as you want, as long as your bait suspends the right way. I actually put storm suspend dots. They're like lead stickers on this bait. I'll show you. Right here on the belly of the lure. You have to have proper placement of these stickers right in the middle of the belly. Some lures take more, some take less. Every single lure is made differently, but very few of these baits that claim to suspend right out of the box actually suspend. So you gotta tweak them and make sure you use storm suspend strips or suspend dots. Sometimes you need a tiny little speck of sticker, and sometimes you need the entire dot or strip, but every single bait suspends differently. If you buy like a Mega Bass or a Lucky Craft, a lot of those can suspend really well out of the box. Some Rapala Husky jerks suspend right out of the box, but even the most expensive jerk baits, you'll get some that sink, which are absolute duds usually, and you'll get some that usually they'll float up if they're not going to suspend dead still. But if you pause that bait, you want perfect suspension so that those fish don't see it floating up too much. Sometimes they want a bait that floats or sinks, but usually if you're using suspending baits like this, it's good to have a bait that's pretty still, especially when the water's cold in the springtime. I don't know if those are carp jumping or if those are bass or what. They're probably carp, but I just saw two of them at the same time come up.
Got one. Pike. Yep.
We don't have a net. Let's bring them over here.
Okay.
Bring them this way.
Okay, I'm trying. Yeah.
Just reach around.
I knew I saw something follow it.
That's actually pickerel.
Is it?
I think so. It's got some weird markings on it.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Okay. Oh. Okay.
It's an interesting looking fight.
Nice.
Alright, my wife wasn't filming, so I got probably very crappy footage of this, but another pike.
There he goes.
Got one.
Oh.
Another pike.
Oh my god. Can you flip them?
I'll flip that one.
There we go. It's like, what are you guys doing? We're not fishing for you.
There we go. Another pike. Alright, well, my wife and I caught 3 northern pike. Had a couple other bites today, but we just went out hoping to catch a big bass and hoping to catch a few crappies. We caught a tiny perch and 3 pike. She caught a really nice pike that might have been a pickerel. The markings on it were really crazy looking. But you caught yours on that jerk bait. I caught both of mine on the lipless crankbait, the rattle bait. Catching something felt great, especially having only about an hour of light left. We caught those fish within probably 10 minutes of each other. So it was nice seeing a bunch of boats coming in, watching us reeling in fish, and one guy was like, "What the hell?" And I could hear him talking about how they didn't catch anything all day, and there they are right by the boat launch. You never know. You go to any boat launch, just because you see boats coming in don't mean there's not fish there. So at least you caught something, right?
Yeah.
I mean, alright. If you like this video, subscribe to my page, hit the like button. We'll take you out on our fishing adventures and hopefully teach you guys a thing or two, and hopefully you catch a few more fish. Take care.